Welcome to AYATIUM. Cosmology, the study of the universe's origin and evolution, paints a picture of cosmic phenomena like the birth of stars, the enigmatic pull of black holes, and the eventual heat-death of the universe. Yet, ancient revelations describe something far stranger, a realm that transcends our physical understanding and begins precisely where our current physical reality concludes. The Quran refers to this profound dimension as Jahannam, a realm not merely of punishment, but of ultimate consequence and profound unveiling, where every action finds its true resonance. What truly lies beyond its first breath? What transpires in a space where the very laws of physics as we know them collapse and the deeper truths of metaphysics begin to assert their dominance? This journey is an exploration, an attempt to comprehend the ultimate structure of reality, bridging the gap between scientific inquiry and spiritual insight. Every cosmological model, from the Big Bang to the eventual fate of stars, inevitably points towards a termination point for our observable universe. Stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, atoms slowly decay over eons, and space-time itself stretches thin, leading to an increase in entropy until the universe becomes cold, dark, and utterly inert. However, the Quran posits that this physical annihilation is not the absolute end, but rather the conclusion of one layer of existence, paving the way for another. As stated in Surah Ibrahim, verse 48, the day when the earth is changed into another earth. This signifies a profound dimensional transition, not an extinction. Jahannam exists beyond the collapse of physical properties, beyond the very fabric of what we currently perceive as reality. The Quran vividly describes a moment when the unseen becomes undeniably visible, when the hidden truths are laid bare for all to witness. In Surah Al-Fajr, verse 23, it states, "And the fire will be brought forth for all to see." This implies a sudden, undeniable manifestation. Jahannam, though ever present, remains concealed behind the veil of dunya, our current worldly existence, much like parallel universes hidden from our perception. At the universe's terminal moment, this veil dissolves completely, akin to the boundaries between universes with differing fundamental constants simply ceasing to exist. The first breath is this pivotal moment when the barrier drops, revealing a higher energy, higher dimensional realm that was always there, just beyond our grasp. This is a literal and profound shift in being, a transition into a state of existence governed by different, more fundamental laws. The Quran frequently employs fire imagery to describe Jahannam, but it's crucial to understand this is not a chemical fire in the conventional sense. As stated in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 24, a fire whose fuel is people and stones. This implies a fuel that is both sentient and inanimate, transcending physical combustion. And in Surah Al-Himaza, verses 6 to 7, a fire that leaps up over the hearts. This points to an essence-level exposure, affecting the very core of one's being. In physics, high-energy realms are known to break atomic stability and even alter the fundamental dimensions of space-time. Jahannam, in this metaphysical context, makes spiritual and moral states physically manifest, where inner realities become outer experiences. Beings enter this realm with their consciousness intact and their moral record imprinted, their bodies reconstructed under the immutable laws of divine justice. The fire then becomes an ontological exposure, stripping away all illusions and revealing the unvarnished truth of one's existence. Our universe is meticulously built upon principles of symmetry, order, and profound mercy, evident in phenomena like dark energy, gravitational harmony, and finely tuned physical constants. These elements collectively serve as a testament to divine compassion, creating an environment conducive to life and exploration. Jahannam, however, is characterized by an absence of this mercy, as conveyed in Surah Al-Imran, verse 106, taste the consequence of what you earned. Cosmologically, our universe is a low-entropy bubble, a state of relative order. Jahannam is its antithesis, a high-entropy, high-intensity realm where moral imbalance becomes an undeniable physical reality. This is not chaos, but rather a perfect, unyielding justice meticulously encoded into the very structure and fabric of its existence. In Islamic theology, death initiates a process where the physical body returns to the earth, while consciousness transitions to barzakh, an intermediary realm. The moral record, a blueprint of one's deeds, then guides the resurrection into a form that is metaphysical, capable of interacting beyond our current physics. Encountering Jahannam's first breath exposes the absolute truth of one's actions, where truth itself carries tangible, physical consequences. While physics explains the universe's eventual end, Islam provides a profound framework for understanding the self beyond that termination. Beyond Jahannam's first breath, there is no myth, but a stark reality where the veil is gone, consciousness is unveiled, and moral truth becomes physically manifest. Justice shapes every experience, and the universe, as we know it, is merely the first layer of an infinitely complex existence. Beyond its collapse, our actions echo in their purest, most unadulterated form, shaping our eternal destiny. The first breath of Jahannam is not an end, but a profound revelation, an ultimate awakening to the true nature of reality. Thanks for your watching, and see you next time.